Have you ever wondered if there is a way to make things easier or faster in Microsoft Word due to repetitiveness in doing a single task? Fear not, as today I'll be sharing some functions that most people never knew that can improve their productivity on Microsoft Word. Finding a specific word in a big Word document is like finding a needle in a haystack. So this is where the navigation function comes handy. By entering Ctrl F, you can search any text, comments or pictures in your document. Results that match your input will be returned. Let's use Word as an example. Every result returned will be highlighted. Just like Microsoft Excel, there is a replace function to complement with find function. By entering Ctrl H, it allows you to type in the word that you would want Microsoft to find, and then you can enter the new word that you would like to replace it or replace all in the replace with area. I can replace the word video with the word picture. So as you can see, the word video has been completely replaced with the word picture. To be more specific, formats can be applied during find and replace from format, and then for example, font. To show this example, I'll put a font on the first and third word of video with the rest remains. And then I'll use a font for the word picture to show that it's working. So now we'll just have to click replace all. And so as you can see, only the first and the third video word are being replaced with, while the rest doesn't, as they are not in the impact font. This is just one of the many formats that can be applied. There are more to be explored in terms of paragraph, tabs, and etc. Besides that, by holding Ctrl and double-clicking on words, you are able to select multiple words from different areas without losing the previous selection of words. After finish selecting the words, a single click of bold and it applies to those highlighted under this function. This prevents you from having to, for example, highlighting one and then bolding once, which is troublesome. Sometimes when Microsoft Word doesn't auto-changes the case for your sentence or you would like to capitalize the whole sentence, this rotational case change function is for you. By clicking on Shift F3, it offers a rotation of 3 by default where it capitalizes the first letter of each sentence, which is what you're currently looking at, applying full uppercase on every word highlighted, or converts all letter into lowercase. This function allows you to skip the fuss of needing to delete a whole sentence or paragraph just to turn it into all uppercase letters or sentence letters. Auto text is a handy tool when you need to duplicate a number of words without the need of copy-paste. Firstly, you highlight the sentence and copy it. Then select Insert, go to Quick Parts, and then click Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Enter a name, for example, Step 1, and paste what you copied just now into the description for a better view when hovering over the Quick Parts menu, and press OK. Now go to Quick Parts menu again to see this shortcut which can be used for the future. Format Painter is useful when there are multiple inconsistency fonts in a Word document that needs immediate correction. First, highlight the desired font that is wished to be applied, which is Calibri 14, to other normal ones, then click Format Painter once. This will apply the font Calibri with size 14 to the normal ones. Subsequently, highlight the desired font that is wished to be applied to other normal ones, then click Format Painter twice. In this case allows you to change other fonts to Calibri 14 without limit until the Escape key is pressed to cancel the Format Painter function. That's all with my video sharing today. Thank you.